Hey friends, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host, Mark Guido, and welcome to Hot Springs, Arkansas. We're going to explore Hot Springs National Park and the surrounding area from our base camp here at the Hot Springs National Park KOA. So stick around. Hot Springs became a national park in 1921, but amazingly, an act of the U.S. Congress created Hot Springs Reservation to preserve the area for future recreation way back in 1832, nearly a century before the concept of a national park even existed. Hot Springs National Park is unique in our country's national park system in that it focuses on the preservation of some urban structures. Yet it includes some beautiful natural areas as well. It is centered around Bathhouse Row, currently consisting of 8 bathhouse buildings that were constructed between 1892 and 1923. Designated as a National Historic Landmark District, Bathhouse Row contains the grandest collection of bathhouses of its kind in North America, including many outstanding examples of Gilded Age architecture. The Rose Fordyce Bathhouse serves as the park's visitor center. The Buckstaff and Quapaw are the only buildings still operating as bathhouses where reservations can be made for various services. Other buildings of the Row are used for other purposes, like this brewery, now operating out of the Superior Bathhouse. The hot spring water that tumbles from a number of springs lining the western slope of Hot Springs Mountain has for centuries been believed to possess medicinal properties and was a subject of legend among several Native American tribes who refer to the area as Valley of the Vapors at the time of Spanish explorer Hernando de Soto's arrival in the area in 1541. He was the first known European to see the springs. The flow consists of well over 500,000 gallons per day. Interestingly, only the east side of Central Avenue is within the national park. The street's west side is lined by shops, restaurants, and tourist attractions. Over time, the national park has acquired natural land adjacent to Bathhouse Row to expand into more natural areas and to preserve the quality of the water emanating from the springs. To the east, the park encompasses Hot Springs Mountain, and to the west it includes, well, West Mountain. Both are crisscrossed by numerous hiking trails and winding tree-lined roadways. There's been an observation tower atop Hot Springs Mountain since 1877. Today's 214-foot-tall structure opened in 1983 as the third such tower on this site. Our campground is barely visible over there in the trees. We'll share more about that in just a few minutes. The Ouachita Mountains straddle western Arkansas and southeastern Oklahoma. Hot Springs sits on the range's southern edge. Northwest of town and within the mountains, and completely surrounded by the Ouachita National Forest, Lake Ouachita is the largest lake entirely within Arkansas, with over 690 miles of shoreline. Lake Ouachita was formed when the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers built the Bagnell Dam on the Ouachita River. Further downstream, the river flows into Lake Hamilton in suburban Hot Springs, contributing mightily to the city's tourism industry. Much of the lake is surrounded with resorts, restaurants, and motels. Parasailing, boating, fishing, and water skiing are all popular on Lake Hamilton. We're in Hot Springs over the July 4th Independence Day holiday. So we've come down to Lake Hamilton to join many locals and visitors to watch an impressive holiday fireworks display. Two miles east of Bathhouse Row, the National Park Service operates Gulpha Gorge Campground along Gulpha Creek within Hot Springs National Park for both tent campers and those with RVs. For $30 per night, all sites have full hookups, both 30 and 50 amps. Sites are available on a first-come, first-served basis. You cannot make a reservation. It's probably also the only national park campground in the U.S. that's within walking distance of a strip club. Another strange anomaly of Hot Springs National Park's unique urban and natural conglomeration. We're staying another mile or so further east at the Hot Springs National Park KOA, uniquely terraced into a steep hillside. Some sites are a little tight, but facilities include a popular swimming pool, laundry so that we could get our chores done, a free-stocked fishing pond, game room, and this wonderful dog park that Zoe absolutely loved. Our back-in 30-amp full hookup site costs $38 per night midweek and $41 on weekends and holidays. So we truly hope that you've enjoyed coming along with us to Hot Springs, Arkansas. Coming up next Wednesday night, we're going to take our American Heartland Tour 2020 to Branson, Missouri. So if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer, this is the perfect time. Go smash that little red subscribe button down there in the corner and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode of Grand Adventure, which we air every Wednesday evening. We'd be honored if you shared the channel with your friends, family, and on social media. Now, always down below, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section. And also down below, extremely important to us that if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. So until next week from Branson, please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.